Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a fixed sized array. So let's start off first of all creating a subroutine. Let's make it a little bit bigger than that. Okay. And I'm going to call it fixed size. Fixed size. That's what I'll call it. And then I'm going to create the array here. It's going to be my then array. And I'm going to create a fixed size of 2 elements there. Okay. And we're going to print the array. Save that, and I'll have to call it fixed size. Let's run that. Raku test dot Raku. So we'll just run the program. Okay, fixed size. Okay, slight little typo there. Fixed size, that's more like it. Okay, let's run it. So we're going to type in Raku test dot Raku. Okay, so we've got an array there, and we've got any in it, so we've got 2 elements there in the array.